Alright guys, today on KP's Kitchen, we're going to be making a breakfast sandwich. Now, I forgot the eggs, so... Alright, now I'm going to be taking a quick trip. Alright, now let's get started. Alright, there should be an egg around here somewhere, and... there it is. I sure hope that the owner of this egg doesn't get mad. Alright, now that we have the egg, let's head home. And hey look, there's the dog. Sup dog, I got an egg. Now that our little quest is done, we got our English muffin, our sausage, and our egg. Grease up your frying pan and put your sausage on there for medium heat. Now, if we go over here, and then we grab our bowl so we can scramble our egg. Alright. Now, let's see if we have a scrambling tool so we can scramble this stuff. Must have been misplaced. So, we're just going to be using a whisk. Now that I cracked the egg, making sure that there's no eggshells, I'm going to whisk it. Hard to do with one hand. As y'all know. We just flip that. Maybe raise the heat a bit. Now let's throw these into the toaster because you know what they say. All toasters toast toast. Yeah. That's what they all say. They also toast English muffins, Pop-Tarts, Eggo waffles, Lego My Eggo. I don't know what else you can throw into a toaster. Do a bit more beating to this egg. Yeah, I'll clean up that later. Nice shard. Yeah. Just do that. Okay, I was planning to have the eggs over the sausage, but I guess I'll cook them side by side or something. Oh, hey, look. There's still pieces of egg in there. That's nice. Now, the toastiness is up to you to decide. Let's just put some more on there. And there's our English muffins. I'd say those are about done. Yeah. Now, I added a bit of cheese in there, you know, and it's done. Now, before we dig in, always remember to clean up your station. Like, dishes go into the dishwasher. Eggshells go into the trash. I'm pretty sure they can go into compost, but we don't have compost right now. And this yolk right here, it can be cleaned up into this paper towel. Yeah. I'll have to wash this one, this frying pan. I shall eat the chicken sandwich. Bueno appetito. Delectable. I'd say that I do a pretty good job. You know? Let's just hope that the owner of that egg doesn't come and kill me or something. Uh-oh. I better run. Now, I'll see you guys later, and goodbye.